I hope this sounds well, ladies and gentlemen, because otherwise we will have that little crackle in the beginning, but I just want to make sure that the sound sounds well. Welcome once again. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the most monumental channel here on YouTube. DEIVED is my name, where we talk about the stock market. Take a look at the news. We even do some technical analysis, and sometimes we even do some Hadoukens, but that's coming up, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know, how did it go for you today in the stock market? What lessons have you learned? What was that golden nugget that you are waiting for, that move or that product from that company that makes sense? And you're like, man, I really want to invest in that company because it makes sense. But David, what? Why? What happened today? David, I need some clarity. I need to understand what happened today in the stock market. So, don't go just yet, because me and Chewy, we're gonna find out. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know today, what is that symbol that you want me to review? Something interesting. We're gonna do some technicals. Today I'm trying to keep it a little bit relaxed. I wanna provide as much clarity as to what happened with the Robinhood stocks. As you already know, there's a stock list already of the companies that have been restricted. We need to know more clarity, more perspective to understand what is currently happening. But we're going to take a look at other companies. We're going to take a Bitcoin. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know. Let's go ahead and get started. I don't want to waste time. It is Friday. Happy Friday. Monthly candle has closed. And ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and remove this image because we're going to take a look at this article. Let's get started. Adding a stream marker. Hopefully you are doing well, guys. You already know that we do the videos with a lot of love. Remember that if you're in the chart room, say hi to everybody. Say hi. And let's get started with S&P 500 has worst week in 3 months as volatile squeeze trades fray nerves. The major averages closed down for the day and the week after choppy trading that reflected the sentiment of Wall Street, dealing with the collapsing short trades at the hands of the Wall Street best crowd. Today, the S&P negative 1.9%, the Nasdaq negative 2%, and Dow finished off their lows. And coincidence or not, their recovery came about the same time the Reddit trades is off their highs as Robinhood cut the amounts that investors could trade of volatile stocks. Ladies and gentlemen, this is mind-blowing. GameStop's limit is down to 1 share, and new names like Starbucks, AMD, and Moderna appeared. A late swoon also coincided with a GameStop spike. For the week, the Nasdaq was the biggest decliner, down 3.5%, the worst week since late October. It was the same for the S&P and Dow, which both dropped 3.3% for the week. All the S&P sectors closed down today, with energy and infotech the weakest. All the big 6 mega caps declined, with Tesla the worst performer. Although the recent technical sell-off of short squeeze is receiving a lot of attention, we believe the positive macro setup, improving fundamentals, and COVID-19 outlook, strength of the U.S. consumer, as well as the reflation theme remain the bigger factor at play, says JP Morgan wrote in a note today. In the meantime, investors will be watching to see if any more stocks face trading limits. Robinhood also limited crypto trading due to unusual activity. And ladies and gentlemen, we gotta take a look at this next article. Let's continue with the flow. I wanna say hi to everybody. My voice is, as you already know, a little bit gone. I apologize. It's been a long week, a lot of shows, but hopefully you are doing well tonight, relaxed. You took your shoes off, took your socks off, and you're spreading your fingers like this, and you're like sipping a little bit of a tea or some wine or some beer. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and move forward with this article about the SEC. Maybe I gotta talk like that, guys. I don't know. Let me. Oh my goodness. Let's do it. Over here. SEC will review actions that may unduly inhibit the ability of investor to trade. The SEC says it is looking at the extreme volatility in certain stocks like Gamestop and AMC that could expose investors to rapid and severe losses and undermine market confidence. It's also looking at the moves brokers made in restricting share purchases. The Commission will closely review actions taken by regulated entities that may disadvantage investors or otherwise unduly inhibit their ability to trade certain securities, he said in a statement. In addition, we will act to protect retail investors when the facts demonstrate abusive or manipulative trading activity that is prohibited by the federal securities laws. Market participants should be careful to avoid such activity. Likewise, issuers must ensure compliance with the federal securities laws for any contemplated offers or sales of their own securities. This morning, Robinhood opened up trading with limits in whole shares of stocks it restricted yesterday. And then the story continues, guys. This story is longer than I actually expected. But I have to review it because I want to provide clarity to everybody. And mira esto, man. Citron will no longer publish short reports, founder Andrew Left says. Guys, I'm gonna be very honest. I'm very happy. In other countries, it is illegal to short the market. That's all I'm saying. Citron will no longer publish short reports, guys. Citron says it will no longer publish short selling reports after doing this for the last 20 years, according to YouTube video from founder Andrew Left. We will focus on giving long-side multi-bagger opportunities for individual investors, Citron tweeted. Citron was started to protect the individual investor from Wall Street, and it uncovered more fraud than any governmental agency, while bringing down drug prices in the U.S. against the better interest of the hedge funds, Left says in the video. But now, we've actually become the establishment, he adds. Citron will focus on publishing ideas for being big, long opportunities in companies with strong management teams, ethical business practices, and business models that are forward-thinking and socially conscious. Citron's last bullish call was stern, STPK, with a $100 price target. Earlier this week, Left said he covered the majority of GameStop short, and last week he said he will no longer discuss GameStop after he received alleged threats to his family after commenting on the short case for the video game retailer. And it continues to this last article before I get to the stock list. By the way, guys, I do want to review the stock list with all of you. And then after that, I want to take a look at some symbols that I just want to see from the list. I hope the format of the video makes sense. I know that you are here for a longer time than usual. I'm trying to make it work as fast as we can as well. Hopefully everybody's comfortable. Hopefully everybody had an amazing day. You know? And we have the weekend. Con mucho, mucho amor. Let's see you guys over here. Robinhood's limit list up to 50. Starbucks joins GameStop at 1. So ladies and gentlemen, yes, Robinhood has widened the list of 50 names, including Starbucks, Beyond Meat, and GM. Since the story was first posted, the Robinhood limit on GameStop is now down to 1. And then among new limits on other stocks, AMC, 10 shares, American Airlines, 5, AMD 1, BlackBerry 5, Bed Bath & Beyond 2, KOSS 1, Moderna 1, Nokia 20, and Workhorse 3. Moderna, AMD, and Workhorse had not been restricted as part of the squeeze group yesterday. The aggregate limit includes shares and options contracts customers already had. Robinhood has further limited the amount of GameStop customers can add to their accounts. Investors can now only add 2 shares via the platform, down from 5 at the start of the day. Customers are venting their displeasure on Twitter. Many receive an alert saying this order will exceed the maximum allowed GME shares you can hold at this time. You currently have 5 shares purchased or pending, including this order, which exceeds the limit of 2 shares. Other stocks have also had their allowance cut. AMC is down to 25 from 115, and KOSS is down to 10 from 25. GME is up about 50%, which we want to take a look at the charts. Pairing gains in afternoon trading, but enthusiasm is spreading to other consumer names. You can see over here, guys, the error. This order will exceed the maximum allowed XM shares you can hold at this time. You currently have 20 shares purchased or pending, including this order, which exceeds the limit of 2 shares. That's why we need to have different portfolios. You can't have everything in one place, right? There's other brokers that didn't have this many issues. One was Fidelity, although another one was Ameritrade. I don't even believe the Webull account had issues. So there's a few companies that didn't have issues. And guys, it's a reality that we're living. It's very interesting, the story how's evolving. I think this will end good. I want to have the optimism that when you find things like this, you will fix. That's it. And guys, this is the list for the Robinhood stocks. As you can see, symbols for American Airlines, ACB, AG, AMC, AMD, BlackBerry, Bed Bath & Beyond. Guys, we've covered almost all of this. BYDDY, Beyond Meat, CCIV, CLOV, CRIS, CTRM, EXPR, ESG, ECGO, GM, GME, wow, GTE, HIMS, INO, Inovio, guys, IPOE, wow, IPOF, and this is the number of shares. Wow, this is the restrictions. Naked 5, NCTY 1, Nokia 5, Novavax 1, OPEN 1, RKT 1, RLX, Ricey, Starbucks, SHLS, SIEB, SLV, SNDL, guys, Sundial, okay, XOXL, Sorrento, STPK, TGC, TIRX, TR, TRVG, TRXC, Workhorse, XM, and Zomedica. Wow, Zomedica, guys. But definitely something interesting. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about all of this? Let's go ahead and take a look over here before I get to Bitcoin and all of that, guys. I know I'm scrolling through over here and there, and I'm reading the article. And I know I want to say hi to everybody. I'm going to be very honest. ¿Qué pasa, mi hermanillo? Hola, hola, mi hermanillo. I haven't even said hi to anybody. But let's see over here real quick. So if you have the opportunity and you want to say hi, go to the chat room. Say hi. If you remember, give me Hadoukens. Give me some coins. You know what? I'm going to take it a little bit relax. I'm going to relax a little bit. My voice is almost gone. Ladies and gentlemen. We'll see over here. GameStop buyers take over and other highly shorted consumer stocks rally. Stocks with a high level of short interest are once again the leading gainers in the consumer sector after limited buying on key names is allowed again. GameStop tops the list of 76% jump, while Express 30%, National Beverage, Vez 16.9, Naked Brands 27.3, Fossil 11.8, Chico FAS 11.6, Bed Bath & Beyond 11%, Big 5 Sporting Goods 13.3%, DDES 10.7%, Blue Apron 7%, and Jumia 8%. But we're going to see what happened after. I want to take a look at the charts for GameStop, and I want to take a look at chart and Naked. I want to see Naked. Okay, guys, there is some speculation that hedge funds are winning some of their positions as they reset strategies, and the Wall Street Bets Reddit crowd is still fired up over generating buying action on favored names. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how the story has evolved, and that takes us to finally, let me go ahead and take a look at GameStop, guys. I'm starting with GameStop today. Yeah, my friend, I'm a little bit, I hit it hard this week doing the show. I was like singing and partying. Woo, man. But thank you for making it obvious, J-Ho. Good evening, my friend. Good evening, Stranded in PR.
Boom shakalaka!
By the way, I gotta check out over here. Let's take a look at GameStop, guys. I gotta say hi to everybody. Matthew Grado, thank you. SoCal, Danny Corrales, Oski Gitron, good evening. Brandon Morris, Christopher Osuna, John Gunn, Mr. Simon, Stranded in PR. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and take a look at GameStop. So GameStop on the daily, ladies and gentlemen, as you already know, yesterday it went back down to retest the trend line. It went to the 14 EMA. Let me look at the 4 hour. 1 hour actually. So it retested the trend line once again. The 50 exponential moving average has been reached. On the daily, we can see that it created higher lows, lower highs. Let me look at the weekly. The weekly closed very much bullish. And then after that, let's take a look at the monthly. Definitely bullish. So there's still potential now for GameStop to actually, maybe if it retraces a little bit, there could be some potential opportunity to capitalize on, which is equal to 46.73% for next week. If this is a bullish candle, how it is, the technicals show you that it is on a bullish trend, especially for the month. So this is actually an interesting moment. 4 hour creating a hammer, which is actually deciding not to go to that direction. And then if I added a trend line over here, guys, makes sense, right? If you add the trend line over here, makes sense as well. So one cool thing that can happen here with GameStop, guys, it could be like, for example, if it breaks with the volatility, right? And then it goes back down, capitalizing on that opportunity. As you can see, you can make a percentage of 26.9%. But obviously, there's more prospect for upside. That's what's been happening. That's what is in the talks. And I think this is a great moment for us, guys. I don't know what happened that I missed this line. Un momentito. There you go. Trying to do the Fibonacci. Phoebe, can you see? Come on, guys, I forgot the lyrics. I'm sorry. By the way, Philip Walker, I'm sorry, my friend. It wasn't on purpose. I needed to say that. On the short time frame, you can even see some great praises for GameStop. If he continues with this bullish momentum, guys, I will say there has to be something interesting happening, and I think there's an evolution, a revolution of the market. I think it's kind of cool that we're part of it in this digital world. There's a revolution, man, and we are in the middle of this thing.
Oh, yeah!
I love it. I love it. I love the energy, guys. I just want you all to say, David and Chewy, spread the love to any of your favorite YouTuber, okay? And guys, I would love to see that upside downside. Kind of makes sense to me. Heading to the $480 could be 26%. After that, there's potential even to go to 589. But let me see where we are. After hours, I just need to check out what is the after hours price right now, guys. So let's see if we can get it. GME. Biggie, can you see that we're gonna do the Fibonacci? GameStop currently is at $315.51. So that means that it has gone down just a little bit, not that much. It's 3.5, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. I think there's still potential for upside. Be cautious with the volatility, as you already know. The important thing to keep in mind is that you want to buy low and sell high, right? You don't want to mess up. You don't want to get caught, especially with this current news, which is a very volatile market, guys. Super volatile. We're getting moves that we never expected to see. But for me, it's because now there's a lot of bullish sentiment in certain areas. So I think that the market is speaking to everybody. It is a good thing that everything is starting to being exposed. I know there's a lot of articles, a lot of people talking about GameStop, Wall Street versus the retail investor. It's good. I'm glad. I'm glad that it's happening, and I'm glad that you're investing. And I wish there's more people investing, because the companies should be for the people, by the people, right? Something like that. I don't know, man. Let's go ahead and check out over here. Does that make sense, guys? If it drops, let's say that it drops, where could be an opportunity, David? An opportunity could happen at $208. I wouldn't mind that. That would be an awesome opportunity, and even 160. But why, David? Because there's an understanding of a problem, and nostalgia plays a big role in everybody's head. I think that GameStop is one of those companies that when we were, I don't know, in the 90s and 2000, that's where you bought your Super Nintendo or your PlayStation, or maybe I'm too old, guys, I don't know. Or maybe your Xbox 360. Point is that there has to be an evolution for a marketplace. And I see GameStop working together with Microsoft, okay? They already have partnerships. And working with Sony, they already have partnerships. Do they need the retail brick and mortar? Do you think right now with the current situation? Maybe not necessarily. We will see. We will see how this proceeds. Very excited to see if GameStop is going to capitalize on the opportunity, make a statement to the world, and just show everybody what it is capable to happen when people invest in a company that they like. Don't you think that that's actually an interesting statement, Chewy? Exactly. And then you know what happens is the I am very glad that you understand, my friend. I'm good. It's okay. It's so good. Thank you, guys. Well, let's see. We will keep tracking this story. We will see what happens. Let me know. Will it be or will it go down to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob? Okay, guys. Moving forward from here, I think it's time for me to review AMC, because it is part of this group of companies that got restricted. and having this squeeze. So let's take a look at AMC Entertainment exploring raising new capital with stock surge. Report says this came out at 8:56 a.m. AMC Entertainment is looking at raising more capital, possibly through another stock sale as its shares rally. CNBC reported earlier, citing a Reuters story, citing people's familiar. AMC surging 51% in pre-market trading as Robinhood resumes limited buys of short squeeze stocks. Recall, January 27, AMC quickly wraps at the market equity sales program. Moving forward from that story, we can see over here, Silver Lake taps out of AMC stake. Shares rose 278% this week. Silver Lake is out of its entire stake in AMC Entertainment. AMC has shed some early post-market gains. It jumped 53% during the regular session to cap off a week where it gained 278% overall. On Wednesday, affiliates of Silver Lake and certain co-investors elected to convert its $600 million in 2.95% convertible senior secured notes into stock at a conversion price of $13.51 a share, a move set to settle today. And AMC closed today at $13.26. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and take a look at AMC. AMC. You see over here? Ooh, David, what is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. David, what is that? We're kicking booty with AMC. Ladies and gentlemen, AMC on the monthly, you can see that our analysis was on point, right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
It's looking beautiful. The break of a trend line, providing us an excellent break of a trend line, ladies and gentlemen, providing us the confirmation of what we were looking for. And it's been quite a while since we've been looking at this one. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we started to look at this one since $5-6 over here. I still remember that I was looking for entries for AMC. Actually, let me go back to the March over here. March 2020. Okay, over here. This is the crash, guys. See this? This is COVID. Whoa! 74%. But you know that this was going to happen. The drop for this type of industry was going to go because this industry depends on people going. So obviously the market was going to go down. And I still remember that we were looking for entries over here around $5. I was already entering over here, guys, and it did go down. So it wasn't successful as I wanted to see. But then I saw the crash once again. And that kind of makes sense because we went back to the COVID area. You can see here. And then you can see, ladies and gentlemen, a head and shoulder. Boom, boom, boom. Down. Look at this. Break. Break of a trend line and down. That's a very, very interesting market structure. I actually like that structure. Head and shoulders, guys. Okay, and then you get the double bottom for AMC. And then, ladies and gentlemen, that's when we start to think about it. Because, first of all, it broke this minor trend line over here. And as you can see, it broke this trend line, closed above the 50 EMA. The 14 EMA started to cross, and that's when it moved. It moved a great number, guys. But I'm still looking for a target higher than that. Let me show you. So it has moved very nicely. The candle that is creating made sense, bullish sense, guys. It made sense. So you got to think about your investment strategy. It's very important How do you see the market? What is the companies that make sense with the current environment and that have a good product, you know, and then you can support it and you can feel good about AMC, guys. Mira, look at that bullish move. 525%, okay? That's a lot. We retrace back down, 304%. So the weekly candle, ladies and gentlemen, has closed above the 200 EMA, the exponential moving average, which I like and I enjoy, okay? And I enjoy it. Let's see over here, guys. The 50 EMA, wow, closing above the 50 EMA. Papo, I don't know about you guys, but I think this is cooking. This is rocking. This is gonna go. Man, I think AMC is getting there, guys. Holy mofongo, I think we're gonna do salsa. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, not bad. Good mofongo evening, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, guys. What a beautiful candle for AMC. Let me know, guys. Do you think it's gonna go up? I do think it can. Oh, papo, pero chico. Oh, 177%, 177%. Podemos subir 177%, mi hermanillo. You can see here, $36. You can even see that it can go to $45. $13.26 for AMC. And I wouldn't mind. Mira, I'm going to tell you something. I wouldn't even mind letting this retrace back again. Let it do it if it wants to. I will actually appreciate it so I can get a discount code that not even honey.com can give you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I like AMC. I like the product. I've been there. I've experienced the experience. And I think there's great opportunity, guys. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about this whole situation? What do you think about what's going to happen with AMC and Gamestop? Will they represent what we want in the market? Will they represent what the people want to have success? That's it. Think about it. Anyways, guys, great opportunities. Viva la revolución, ¿ah? Viva la revolución. Huh, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Let's see over here, guys. Let me go ahead and take a look. See something over here, guys. So, I'm telling you, if you cut something out of your monthly budget and investing yourself is infinite. I agree, Cameron. Mira para allá. Golden. Mira esto. So, SoCal says, same here. You're not a member yet? By the way, if you want to be a member, check out the join button below. Matthew Grato, how are you doing? I'm telling you, if you cut something out of your monthly budget and invest in yourself is infinite. And good evening, everyone. Beautiful, beautiful. Love the conversation. Buenas tardes a todo. Buenas tardes. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what we got over here. A lot of caché, you know. Danny, I'm good, bro. Market was red. It was red, but it was going to happen. Think about it. Be a good time to buy some fractional shares and expand my Robinhood portfolio. Sounds good. Sound is good? Oh, good. Perfect. Matthew, gracias por dejarme saber.
Roar!
For sure, to be honest, you will have this volatility for a while. I agree. Hi, good evening, Gina Bibera. Good to see you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, we got P.A. Young, 600 volume with AMC today. Yep. And AMC looks good. I think AMC looks very good. Until regulation levels the playing field for the retail investor. That's why we want the retail investor to be able to invest, guys. That's it. That's what we want. That's what we want to do. Hello, everyone, especially Raspy David. Hey, J-Ho. Go J-Ho yourself. Nah, I'm kidding, man. I'm kidding. Welcome
Boom,
to the channel, man. Welcome. Happy Friday to Ellen J. Dowes. Bienvenido, mi hermanillo. By the way, guys, I'm sorry. I'm saying hi to everybody. I'm going to continue with the articles coming up and the analysis. I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin. Wow, I should have done Bitcoin before I did this. But let me say hi. Christopher Osuna, bienvenido. Mr. Simon, bienvenido. John Gunn, bienvenido. SME, bienvenido. Nokia, I like Nokia a lot. Matsiniza Hamidi, bienvenido. Mr. Simon, Alex Nova, bienvenido. Marcenchi, bienvenido. Jonático, bienvenido. Welcome, everybody. Let's continue.
Boom shakalaka!
Because I know some people are watching this video and they must be thinking, man, I wish I was part of the chat room. I can't see what he's talking about. He seems like a crazy guy, but you know what? Let's keep on rolling. Let's keep on rolling with this one, Randy.
Oh yeah!
Okay, Coinbase Global announces plan to go public via direct listing just at Bitcoin's price soars. Popular cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase Global plans to go public via a direct listing. The firm announced on its company blog that the move will be pursuant to a registration statement on Form S-1 with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Coinbase Global Inc. previously announced on December 17, 2020, that it had confidentially submitted. The Form S-1 is expected to become effective after the SEC completes its review process, subject to market and other conditions. Messari.io, which follows the crypto market, wrote recently that Coinbase could fetch a $28 billion valuation. Coinbase said in October 2018 that a $300 million Series E fundraising at the time valued the firm at over $8 billion. Tiger Global Management led that funding round with participation from Andreessen Horowitz, Polychain, Wellington Management, Y Combinator, Continuity, and other sources. New York Stock Exchange parent Intercontinental Exchange Inc. has also invested in the firm. To go public moves comes just as prices for Bitcoin are soaring. As the chart below notes, Bitcoin shot up to about $38,000 over the past 24 hours after CEO Elon Musk of Tesla tweeted out his support for the cryptocurrency. Coinbase has recently been beefing up its board with all-star tech executives ahead of going public. Last month, the firm announced that former CFO Kelly Kramer of Cisco had joined its board, while legendary.com investor Mark Andreessen of Andreessen Horowitz had gone from board observer to board member. Last summer, Gokul Rajaram, an executive at DoorDash, and veterans of Square, Facebook, Google, and other top tech companies joined Coinbase's board as well. However, Seeking Alpha of contributor Rita Morwa wrote Friday that I don't invest in Bitcoin and don't ever plan on it. Wow. He doesn't do it. So let's see, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see Bitcoin right now and see what it's doing. Whoa. In monthly, by the way, guys, the monthly candle for Bitcoin doesn't close until 1 day and 23 hours. Okay, so the monthly candle is still open. The weekly is showing us good rejection. The weekly closes as well in 1 day and 23 hours. Still, let's go to the daily. The daily created some higher highs, created some higher lows. The body is above from the previous engulfing candle. It's starting to look to me that Bitcoin may have a little bit of more momentum. Now, if Bitcoin has enough momentum, it's going to go up to, I believe, 38,745. And that's the first stop, right? There's other areas that we got to keep an eye on. We are obviously long term, there's a target. Short term, we got to see where it can lead to. And guys, if you can see over here, Bitcoin, if it gets to retrace 33,721 or even 31,365 will be an awesome place. But we said over here, guys, check this out. So man, has been a very interesting thing, guys. Let me drink a little bit of tea. I love these Friday videos because I actually like that I can take a little bit of more time with the charts. I just don't want to rush myself too much, guys. Sometimes I do. I want to relax and just do the charts. So if you have a question, just go ahead and do it. I'm going to try to move as much as I can. But with Bitcoin, the daily, ladies and gentlemen, resistance level around 41,938, creating a support level around 30,000. And we actually recorded marathon buying Bitcoin around 31,098. And definitely looks like it can go to the upside. It's looking very, very good. Now, let me look at the shorter time frame and see what we're doing. It's creating rejection over here, as you can see, on the 14 EMA. Very nice. Good rejection, but I still think if it gets to drop a little bit, that will be fine. I'm starting to like that, for example, it bounced on the 200 EMA, double bottom, trend. I can draw that hour here as well. And definitely looks to me that it can continue with some more upside. I appreciate Bitcoin. I think this is something very interesting. And there's been a lot of bulls out there in the market, guys. Not everybody is shorting the market, right? The guys that are shorting the market are the ones that I think is not making sense. It's illegal to short the market in other countries. I'm telling you all, guys, it's insane. So for me, the important thing is to be a little bit more optimistic in things. Hopefully with this will happen. So I wanted to show you this. When Biden got in the White House over here on the 20th? This is people saying, oh no, we're messed with Biden. Woo! He went down. And then Biden started to work and do a lot of stuff. And there was an article that I still remember that is mentioned that there's a consideration of an SEC chairman that is crypto friendly. So that's going to be interesting, guys, how everything will play out. But then when it came, when this happened as well, I believe a lot of people were starting to get into more, let's buy Gamestop, let's buy AMC and all of this. Because people were taking money out of the crypto because they needed liquidity. You know, they needed cash. So they took it out of there and then started to push over here once again with the Bitcoin. And the good thing is that Elon Musk actually gave us the push, the freaking tweet. Can you believe? So let's see if it actually continues with the upside momentum. I think there's interesting technology being developed. I think it's very interesting how the economy will evolve. This is very interesting, guys. The evolution of the economy, of the market. Is that what we are experiencing? I'm very happy to be part of this ride with all of you. It's very interesting because now there's been more conversations about this topic than ever. And I'm very happy to be here with all of you. Bitcoin, let me know, guys. Will it continue to the upside? I actually would love to know what you think. I actually like Bitcoin, guys. I'm going to be very honest. ARK Investment said 70,000, 13.64. You can see here. I think there's going to be an interesting, like I said, an evolution. Look at this. If it goes to 70,000, that's around 100%. Very interesting. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on that. Let me know, guys, in the chat room or in the comment section. Okay, Matt, mira para allá. I'm glad that Matt is connected because I've been using Matt's example. Matt, are you from Netherlands, right? I just want to confirm with everybody that, yes, ladies and gentlemen, the market, shorting the market is illegal in other countries. Let's see over here. Alex Nova, good evening. Good to see you. Let's see, that will be cool. Then I could get better prices on there. But people are just really not understanding the situation they are in. Just hope the sell-off won't start because of that. Buy the dip, bro. Remember, you only lose when you sell. Yeah, I know. Been there before. Just got to know how to play this game smart. I got a couple fractional shares of Bitcoin. Nice, nice. What about Dogecoin? Dogecoin, good question. I actually, it's very interesting about Dogecoin because Dogecoin, as you already know, the history, it started as a meme. So it's very interesting, the evolution of this. And even Ethereum, guys, Ethereum has been starting to have a little bit of more, a little bit of, feedback. But anyways, let me look at Dogecoin. This is interesting, guys. Doge USD. So yesterday when we did the live, it was actually moving. Let me see, calculator trade view. There you go. So Doge USD, let me see, the monthly doesn't close until 1 day and 23 hours. Very volatile, this one. The weekly right now, as you can see, 0.04, still bullish. It hasn't closed. The daily did close. The daily did close. Okay, so the daily close, super bullish over here. This is so interesting, guys. If this goes to freaking $1, I'm gonna dance or something. That will be like, what? Like, what? Doge USD, really? So guys, it actually closed bullish and it's showing range. Look at that, 116% to the upside. Wow, that's gonna be very, very interesting. I wanna see what it will do. Let me see if I can find, yes, perfect. This is what I wanna see, guys. So with this, I can draw a Fibonacci, okay? Start Fibonacci. For some reason, I'm losing one line. Let me see something. Thinking I'm losing one line for some reason. Anyways, leave it like that for now. Fibonacci goes over here. Yeah, just this. Here we go to 12 cents. Can go to 17 cents. Obviously can go up, up and away, right? There's like, it can go up, obviously, guys. But the thing is now that we're going to see if there's potential for more upside. Let's see how much is this over here. If it goes back to this resistance level, wherever it is now, it can go up 100%, which is interesting. You can use that. And I even see, like we did the Fibonacci already, 177%, or even at 299. But this is, dude, this is something that you gotta use disposable income. I'm really saying use disposable income because this is from a meme, okay? This is a meme coin. Who the heck knows? Maybe that becomes the reality. Oh, do you have meme coins? Pay with meme coins over here. Can you imagine for Reddit? 100%. I don't know, man. Let me know, guys. Do you think that this can go up 100%, or do you think this is gonna go down back to 2 cents? Maybe there's opportunity there, guys. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. Very interesting about Dogecoin story and Ethereum. Ethereum is the other one that I want to review. Ethereum over here, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. The daily close bullish with an interesting range. Mira, we already have the target of 1,478, right? The range that it left us was 4.6%, which is good for Ethereum. And let me go ahead. Mira esto, man. Broke the trend line, creating higher highs, higher lows. It looks pretty bullish to me. I think crypto is going to go up for a little bit. Hopefully, Ethereum. And I know that Ethereum is actually there's a partnership there with Reddit. We read yesterday. Hopefully you found that useful. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about crypto? Will it continue doing some? Or will it go down to the bottom of the ocean? This is SpongeBob Bob. Okay, guys. Let me see over here real quick. Let me check out. Let me leave over here. I like Ethereum. I like Ethereum in the background. So let's see. By the way, viewers that you are on TV, I'm gonna go ahead and check out the chat room real quick. I wanna see. I wanna see what they're saying. Okay, seems a good buying opportunity for a lot of stocks. A lot of movement in short covering. Yes, Mats know what it is. Dogecoin when it was half of 1 cent. Sold it because it wasn't really going anywhere. Now it might go to $1, like some people saying. Maths is when the market spikes really fast. Yeah, it's funny. It's a joke coin. But that's going on. It's going up because of Elon Musk's tweet. Let's buy it on the dip and then we'll make some money. I just started moving. It was on the same level for a couple of years. Have to adjust my points. My crypto was Ethereum. Okay, my friend. Oh, I have just my point of the Netherlands. Shorting is limited. Oh, shorting is limited. Okay, in Netherlands, shorting is limited to 0.1% of the stock. Above that level, you have to first get clearance of the Dutch SEC, what they almost never give. I just found out as the Gamestop news reached our media as well. Interesting. See that? Golden nuggets over here in the chat room, guys. Telling you all, you should be part of this community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that motherfucking bell. Okay, let's take a look now. Nioh. Who remembers Nioh? Wow, Nioh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of those, oh my goodness, companies that, oh my, I'm so excited to see here, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. At 9:07 a.m., Nioh gains after Morgan Stanley pushes price target up to street high. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the David Show. It's not the Green Tom Show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Morgan Stanley boosts its price target on Nioh to $80 from $33 on confidence the electric vehicle upstart is strong place to gain more market share. Interesting. We believe the wealth created by EV autonomous driving may surpass prior replacement cycles driven by a broadening user base and enriched industry value content. The pace of the reshuffle is also accelerating, as seen among the EV and autonomous driving startups in 2020. MS has an overweight rating on Nioh. Shares of Nioh are up 1.42% pre-market to $59.20. The new PT from Morgan Stanley matches the high on Wall Street, so it is the target $80. But David, didn't you say Nioh $80 a long time ago? Let's find out. Let's look at the chart. Ladies and gentlemen, Nioh, EIO. Let's see what we got, guys. So the weekly ended bearish, but the monthly. Let's look at the monthly. Let's examine this. Let's examine this. The monthly candle closed bullish. Very bullish. But the wick is a little bit longer than usual, huh? 17%, 17.4%. What I do like about this is that a little bit higher, but it does have a large wick on top, so I'm going to keep an eye on Nioh. If there's any drop from Nioh, I'm going to consider it as an opportunity. I'm going to be very honest, because for me, Nioh definitely can get to $80. Now I got to even that. I added Morgan Stanley this morning, but if there's any retracement, for example, for Nioh at $50, that will be an interesting price point. It is very overbought as well, so there could be some potential downside. As I said, over here, super overbought, but I wouldn't mind the retracement. I wish that it retraced a little bit more. So other people, and maybe me, and maybe I'm interested in buying Nioh to continue with the upside. So guys, let me know, guys, what do you think about Nioh? What do you think about Nioh working with NVIDIA? What do you think about the car models? Does it make sense to you? Do you like the product? I think in a lot of ways, Nioh makes sense. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section if we're going to be doing some. Or will it go down to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob? Okay, now let's do. Rumor has it Activision Blizzard. I actually like ATVI. I do believe the 50, 100, 1,000 talks I see. Oh, where do you guys see AMC going? I think 20s, the selling pressure probably starts to increase. We already reviewed 30s. $30 will be good. And by the way, check out if you want Matt's, dale rewind and come back. Or if you want me to do it once again at the end, I'll definitely can check out AMC once again. I don't mind. If I don't mind, you don't mind. If I don't try, you don't try. Anyways, guys, Berenberg praises video game publishers, raises Activision target. So I can't even believe it. I said this morning the themes that I'm concentrating on, and one of them was at the end, video games, but that's a personal preference. So Berenberg, ladies and gentlemen, video game names including Activision Blizzard, Electronic Arts, Take-Two, and Ubisoft are the winners of the stay-at-home trade, according to Berenberg, and they're holding up in a market sell-off today. In an update, the firm says video game companies will see upside to estimates from increased gamer interest combined with a strong release pipeline ahead. It's expecting the engagement spike from last year to moderate through this year, but not enough to serve as a damper on growth. In particular, it's raising its target on Activision Blizzard to $100 from $93, calling it a higher potential growth name that implies another 10% upside. With that said, let's review ATVI. I actually like Activision Blizzard. It's continuing. It's very bullish. The weekly, wow, creating amazing rejection. Even though it's not a bullish candle, it's creating a beautiful rejection over here, guys. Let me go ahead and see over here the monthly. And the monthly, even though it closed bearish, is a bearish candle that is not engulfing right now. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my chart. Right now, as you can see, 54% is the last entry. Yeah, 54% already, guys. I do like Activision Blizzard. I think they're going to continue with some more upside. They're doing video games. You already know this, guys. And let's do a trend line. And with everything, now people starting to invest more money in the companies they like. Do you think that we're in a bullish momentum? I think we are. And sorry, short squeezers, but this is what you get for being a shorter, I guess. Because if it gets to go up, 6.4% is a good target. Needham says, I know Needham is a little bit hungry. 13%. Morgan Stanley, 19. BART, 28.6. I should have done this with Nioh, by the way. I'm sorry if I didn't do it, but if you want me to do it, I'll do it. Let's see. So the target over here is 100 from Berenberg. Berenberg. There you go, guys. I like it. I mean, 100 is over there already. It's like, Berenberg, come on, bro. That's not aggressive. Let's see over here, $100. It's actually a good price, guys. It's a very good price. Let's remove this. And you can see over here that Berenberg is saying there's an opportunity of 10%. I do believe there's a little bit of more than that. I think 116 kind of makes more sense to me. But other areas that we got over here of 108 kind of makes sense as well, guys. Those are the different zones. And I don't think that we're going to see a lot of bears coming up, guys. I don't see there's going to be a lot of people providing the short analysis. But in this particular case, Activision Blizzard seems to be running well on the monthly. It's not bad. The weekly, as I said, good rejection above the resistance level that it broke. Look at this, guys. Beautiful structure, let me tell you. Broke the trend line here, and then it went up. You can see the resistance, and a lot of rejection. What a beautiful thing, guys. I think this makes sense. Let me know, guys, in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about Activision Blizzard? Does it make sense to you? And what about EA? I like EA as well, guys. I entered EA a long time ago. I do think that esports is going to be a big thing. The internet connects people. Sports, online gaming, all of this, guys, unites us in a very different way. Obviously, having the personal experience in person is very personal, and we need to appreciate that. And I do appreciate your support for being here, staying here while I do this analysis, this crazy Microsoft Paint analysis, you know. But ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate you being here. You appreciate the audience, right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Even Randy appreciates it. Mr. Burns, do you think the audience is
Excellent.
Oh, perfect, perfect. Thank you, Mr. Burns. And we are kicking booty over here, guys. Electronic Arts, another one for the record books. Yes, you can see over here, guys. We are already up 28.8%. Seems to me that it can definitely continue to $151. $175 will be awesome, and 201 even better. 40%. I'm still writing this since our break of a trend line. As you can see over here, guys, we are ahead of the curve. That's the thing. That's why we don't get that popular. We're ahead of the curve. We're visionaries. All of the people here that subscribe and are members are visionaries. You guys are the leaders. You are the next generation. I'm gonna tell you guys. You are the ones that are gonna create the noise, and people will notice. And I'm very happy that it will be for the best of society, for the best of your neighbor, right? Ladies and gentlemen, Electronics Arts, $143. I still believe that it can continue with some more upside. I do think that there's enough momentum. Even the weekly candle closed with higher highs and higher lows, even though it was a little bit bearish. Let's look at the daily. The daily seems fine. The daily seems like if it drops a little bit more here to 138, that could be even an opportunity. So I like EA as well, especially now with the Super Bowl coming up and all of this, which actually Football TV is one of those companies that I've been keeping an eye on, guys. Let's go ahead and do AT&T, one of those companies that I've been adding little by little. Guys, I'm going to let you all know that I have different portfolios, right? I don't have everything in one place. I don't do that. I have a portfolio with M1, which actually has companies that I like, long-term investments like Apple, Amazon, and just get partial shares every time I can over there. Boom, 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 adding little by little. And in that particular case, I've been adding as well my shares of AT&T. I do like AT&T a lot. AT&T, we can review over here Netflix, Amazon, and Disney. Yes, I actually want to do it because I want to review Amazon. Amazon hasn't moved, guys. Amazon is like still standing still, okay? Let's see here, guys. Crypto crackhead in the house. Doing some Hadoukens over here, huh?
Hadouken!
Bienvenido, mi hermanillo. Bienvenido, mi hermanillo. Bienvenido, mi hermanillo. When they will start selling cars in US, then Nioh will be like Tesla. Alex Nova, golden nuggets. Beautiful. Can you please affirm? I like affirm. I'm going to add it. I think Patrick Sareta, if he was here, he would love that one. GEVO, BNGO. Yeah, BNGO I like. Wish, I don't know if I have time. If I have time, I do wish, okay? But none of them mention I can do it. Yes. I'm going to add Corsair if we have time. If don't, Alex Nova, I don't know. But at least I may have done 2 or 3, okay? Let's see. If any Europeans are watching late at night with me, if you are using Robinhood and are sick of it, the gyro hasn't restricted anything. Just disabled stop loss as it could negatively affect traders. Might be worth checking out. I have been using it since the beginning trading couple of months ago. Nice, Mats. Very, very good. Golden nuggets. SCNS, we can definitely take a look at SCNS, my friend. And I have to give priority to SCNS, as you already know, because our friend, Crypto Crackhead, he has supported the channel. He's been doing some.
Hadouken!
And the members get a little bit of priority. Okay. Wonder Woman 1984 dominated Christmas week streaming, new data shows. Warner Media, AT&T, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Plan to drop Wonder Woman 1984 in the laptops of streaming viewers, with so many theaters still closed, looks to have made a splash, at least on the viewership side of the equation. Nielsen Holdings publicly reports weekly streaming data for just 4 providers so far: Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and Hulu. But it offers some limited, one-time info about the Christmas Day release of Wonder Woman 1984 to HBO Max. The film drew viewership of nearly 2.3 billion minutes during its first 2 days, placed into context during the most recently available ratings for Christmas week. It easily outperformed rival offerings Soul on Disney Plus, topped that chart with 1.669 billion minutes viewed, followed by The Office on Netflix, 1.435 billion minutes. That's sure to provide a boon when HBO Max provides more details about paid memberships. As of now, we know 37.7 million are eligible for HBO Max either via direct sign-up or through a wholesale provider. Whether that makes up for any cannibalization of theater draws is left to future determination. There's not much theatrical revenue to be had for now, but Warner Media is sending all 17 of its films this year to HBO Max and theaters simultaneously. I actually think having them in both places, it should be fine. Because sometimes you can tell your friend, I'm going to watch it at home. Let's watch it together, so they both get the subscription. Or what I think there has to be in this platform is this interactivity. But anyways, guys, that's my opinion. I think that will be amazing if it actually happens. But having the both options makes sense at the same time, because you want to have an experience. When you go to Disney World, you go to have an experience. And I actually learned this. Wow, I can't even believe that I'm bringing this back from the days when I studied accounting, guys. I studied accounting. There was a class that, oh man, this professor was such a good professor. I'm going to be very honest. I forgot the class, but he said that Disney doesn't sell the experience. Disney sells the experience. You go there, you ride the freaking rides, and you get out. And you had food and everything, but it's the experience of having that adrenaline. So theaters, for me, if you think about it, let's think about this. Let's get crazy here, guys. AMC, right? Right now, AMC is a little bit low. Very interesting where it's at. So starting to invest in sound, in the quality of the video, investing in the experience. Maybe have the trembling chairs to have that 4D thing. Or maybe getting into the next level of augmented reality and do some... Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know, man. I'm thinking out loud here, man. What can I do? My mind goes on. I'm sorry. AT&T. Over here. Let's see what we got with it. So AT&T is actually back to the trend line. Let's look at the 4-hour. PJ Young, that's exactly what I think about too. That's a perfect example, man. Perfect example. So AT&T 4-hour, 1 hour over here, starting to show interesting signs, guys. I don't know if AT&T gets to drop, I'm gonna actually capitalize on the opportunity. I mean, AT&T for me is a good company, even though some things they gotta fix, right? If it gets to drop, which it can to drop over here at 27, which Goldman Sachs has a target, it will be fine. I wouldn't mind. But that in particular case, I'm going to keep an eye on this trend line. It doesn't matter. I'm still going to keep an eye on this trend line. And this resistance for now. This resistance level, if it breaks from $30, it can go to $31.88. We are actually at $28.63. The other day, we were at $26. I think AT&T has a lot of potential. I just want to see how it will evolve with Warner Media. because they need to sell. For example, AT&T is trying to sell the business of DirecTV, so that's something that they're trying to move forward with. And AT&T having HBO Max, having TNT, and all of these other channels actually helps out. So I think it's a good company. Like I said, if he breaks the resistance of 30, that will be awesome. If he gets to drop to 27, it will be even better. But David, you should design a David t-shirt. Buy two. That will be insane. No, I have to do the Holy Mofongo, David, and I have to do the salsa.
Hadouken!
Okay, guys. AT&T, $31.89. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Something to keep an eye on. 27 will be fine. I like AT&T. And then let me review Netflix, NFLX. Don't stop believing. Let's see over here, guys. What an interesting year has it been, huh? I love that we have had all of this happening, guys. It's such an interesting story. Such an interesting story. Very happy to be part of this revolution, this evolution. Okay, so Netflix. Actually, first of all, Netflix reached our freaking target, okay? First of all, Netflix reached our freaking target of $545, okay? And then the other thing is, we're still in profit, 8%. It reached even 593, which was at 20%. That's why you got to follow your trading plan, making sure that you're allocating your investment in the right way and making sure that your trading plan makes sense. There's a lot of higher lows that I'm liking from Netflix, guys. It went back down. Higher lows, lower highs, that's fine. Let's look at the monthly. Wow, a huge range. So what I'm going to do is clean this a little bit because, guys, obviously it's the month. It's the monthly candle, so we got to be ready for anything. We got to be ready to fight, okay? We got to be ready to kick some booty. If things go down, we're ready. If things go up, we're ready. That's it. You're ready. You're killing it. Think about it, guys. Plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, see these higher lows? It created a higher high on the freaking monthly. Man, Netflix actually looks very interesting to me. If there's any retracement, I can definitely capitalize on that opportunity. We have a lot of targets over here from Cohen, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, Atlantic Equities, and Pivotal. You can see over here, guys. Mira, on Jeffries is 6.5%. For Cohen, 16, which is at $630. At 647, JP Morgan, 21%. Goldman Sachs will be 25%. Wells Fargo has a target of 700, which is 31. Atlantic Equities, 36. And Pivotal, 40. There's still more potential for Netflix. I think they're doing great. But David, ladies and gentlemen, I think there's great potential here. So let's keep an eye on it. And then, where the heck is Meanest Pimp? Meanest Pimp, where the heck are you? Because I want to take a look at DIS, Disney. One of my favorite companies, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes. The monthly candle for Disney actually became bearish. We got a lot of things. Mira, Moffett-Nathanson, guys. This guy is saying that Disney is going to 135. Citibank says 150s. Goldman Sachs 157. We got Morgan Stanley at 164. Well, it actually already reached to 160s. But then we got KeyBank at 177. Wells Fargo 182. Deutsche Bank 185. And then we got, my name. And who is it? Wedbush, right? No, Wells Fargo at $200. I do think that Disney can go up. And look at the weekly candle, guys. This is a very interesting area to reject. Finally, this is the area that I had this for. So it's the 14 EMA exponential moving average. Is rejecting. The body is very small. The wick is very big. Something interesting is happening here. Does it confirm the entries, David? Not necessarily, guys. Maybe not yet. But I think Disney for me, it's still gonna be bullish. I like Disney a lot, guys. I do want to see the evolution of what they'll do, especially with the content side of things. It's gonna take patience, and when they reopen the parks, that's gonna be the new opportunity. And not only that, I hope they reestablish the dividend once they're back, because they had it and they had to obviously take it out, and for them to survive, they needed to allocate their budget to the company to make more movies, more content, and they're actually been doing it. I watched Moana. I mean, Moana is pretty old, but I watched it on Disney Plus. I like Hamilton. It's an amazing Broadway show, guys. If you haven't seen Hamilton, I really, in this particular time of our life, you gotta watch Hamilton. It's amazing. Great show, guys. And over here, $168 right now for Disney. It's looking good. I wanna see if Disney went to 150s, I wouldn't be mad. I actually will say, David, this is a discount code that not even honey.com is gonna give you, baby. Or babers, like Try Guys, you know. And guys, this is starting to look interesting. I wanna wait for Disney a little bit more and see if we can capitalize on this opportunity. I like Disney, guys. What can I say? 10%, 17%. You can do a lot. And I totally forgot over here, Microstrategy. This one goes out to Patrick Ciareta. But let's see over here, guys. Did he talk about SENS? No, actually, J-Ho, I got SENS after this one. And I think that's going to be my clip of the day, guys. I think SENS is going to be my clip. Nokia is not paying dividend? I don't believe so. Right now, I don't believe they are. AMC Rocket Monday? It can happen. Espérate. Before I get to MicroStrategy, let me leave Bitcoin. I want to catch up with the conversation. I'm interested on what you guys are saying. So, guys, Bitcoin creating rejection. I think we're going to go down for a little bit. We'll see. It can happen, guys. The 4-hour over here. Creating lower highs. Okay? Lower highs. And this is a bearish engulfing candle, so it's something to keep an eye on. I want to see what it will do next. Still a little bit of an uptrend, but it still can go down, guys. It still can go down. Let's see. Maybe there's opportunities there. For Bitcoin. Let's see over here, guys. Real quick. Good evening, Rostam. Good to see you, mi hermanillo. I was wondering, can we transfer our stocks to another broker? Yes, you can. Jordan Dow's, AT&T, Brandon, probably not. Well, there's actually, you can check out Webull. There's other brokers, even Fidelity. You can check out if you can do a transfer. Check it out. Thanks, don't need priority, just adding my views for the family. You were telling you like AQMS, if you have a minute. AQMS, my friend. Yeah, we can take a look at AQMS. Let's see over here. Really depends on how your stocks are allocated to your account. I love the Netherlands, been to Middelburg. Joe Nice, I live close to Amsterdam. Brandon Morris, I'm going to look into it. Low, yeah, small country, intelligent people. Thank you, haha, we're stubborn. What? Small country, intelligent people? Thank you. We are stubborn, though. You're stubborn, Mats? Really? You can sit in on Corona regulations. Well, how do you feel? Do you feel comfortable, Mats? How they're doing it there? Brandon, I had a TD Ameritrade account. I love that platform. Where you from? Ameritrade. Thanks. Guys, I'm looking at the chat room. By the way, the people that can't see the chat room, I'm sorry. I'm trying to look at the chat room real quick. Oh, you posted the Sense Trade set on members analysis. Crypto Crackhead. I gotta take a look at it. Crypto, can you remind me a little bit when I do SENS? Hello, Brandon. I live in Texas. Where sometimes, David. This Minis Pimp. Welcome, my friend. Good to see you again. Let's see. How do you only have 2.5k subs? It's beyond me, David. I recommend you to some friends that also started trading after I had some success. Hey, man, good things take time, bro. Let's see, flour tortillas are for people who only drink sweet tea. I have the type 2 sweet tea, SENS, down, fine. Ooh, I feel like Soul is not a great kids movie. What? I actually liked it. I liked it. Once the dividend is back, we will get dividend increase from Insider. Hamilton has been sold out in the UK before. Shut down. I did a good call on OEG. OEG, yes, OEG. We gotta add OEG, okay? So I'm gonna replace this. And we're gonna do SCNS, my friend. Don't worry. But I'm gonna do MicroStrategy right now real quick. MicroStrategy at 11:30 a.m. climbs 18% after fourth quarter earnings. So MicroStrategy reports fourth quarter total revenues of $131.3 million. Woo! A 1.7% decrease. Product licenses and subscription service revenues were $38.6 million, a 30.3% increase. Gross profits was $110.5 million, representing an 84.2% gross margin versus 81.6% prior. Income from operations was $0.4 million versus income from operations of $9.6 million. Net income was $2.7 million, or GAAP EPS of $0.27, non-GAAP EPS of $2.07. The carrying value of MicroStrategy's digital assets was $1.05 billion as of December 31st, which reflects cumulative impairment charges of $70.7 million since acquisition. Cash and cash equivalents and short-term investments of $59.7 million as of December 31st. Company purchased a total of 32,220 Bitcoins at an aggregate purchase price of $700 million in the fourth quarter 2020 for an average purchase price of approximately $21,726 per Bitcoin. So they're riding from over here, guys. So they're relaxed right now. They're chilling, man. This next transaction for them was this is something cool, bro. 21,000. Wow, over here. Actually, I enter over there too. That's a 60% increase, guys. Nice. 2020 was a transformational year for MicroStrategy. In our enterprise intelligence business, we continue to embrace the virtual wave. We are successfully shifting our prospects and customers to our enterprise cloud platform and also launch our new SaaS offering, Hyper Now. We also dramatically improved the efficiency and profitability of our business, said Michael J. Saylor, CEO. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look over here. Let's see what's up with MSTR. MSTR today went up to $692 and it went back down to $615. The weekly, obviously, definitely bullish. Let's go ahead and start cleaning this, ladies and gentlemen. I got a little bit of a mess over here, but let's see. Perfect. And once again, perfect. Now let's look at the monthly. Wow, David. Wow. Do you guys remember Patrick Ciareta was like, David, can you take a look at MicroStrategy? I'm like, yeah, Patrick, we can. Whoa. 92% to the upside. The monthly, as we can see over here, very bullish engulfing, guys. Looks very good to me. I think there's a lot of potential to continue with some more upside. I have some target at 694, 727, 787, and 824. Makes sense to me. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section, guys. What do you think about MicroStrategy? Changing their strategy, investing more in Bitcoin, and do you think is that gonna be a or will it go down to the bottom of the ocean and this is SpongeBob? Okay, guys. Rumor has it the Netherlands is notorious for just discussing for days before doing anything. We are behind in vaccination and we're losing trust in the guidance of the government, but it'll be fine in the end. I hope, my friend, everything restores itself. You know, everything needs to have a structure. We need to live with a little bit of structure. It shouldn't be bad, you know. And I think I wish you well, my friend. I really do. Shout out from a Puerto Rican living in Chicago. I hope you're doing well, my friend.
Hadouken!
Let's review over here, guys. SCNS. Let me add a stream marker real quick. And we're going to do this. Okay, guys? This is from Yahoo Finance. Let me get ready. SCNS, Crypto Crackhead. Ladies and gentlemen. Ding-a-ling-ding-ding. Hello, we're here. Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, since Onyx, we're going to go ahead and review this article. After that, we're going to do technical analysis. This is the David Show. It's not the Green Tom Show. It is my favorite show because it is my show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and ring that motherfucking bell, ladies and gentlemen. Since Onyx Holdings announces closing of 115 million bought deal offering of common stock and full exercise of the option to purchase additional shares. Since Onyx Holdings, a medical technology company focused on the development and commercialization of a long-term implantable continuous glucose monitoring system for people with diabetes, today announced the closing on January 26, 2021 of its previously announced public underwritten offering of 59,740,259 shares of common stock of the company, including the exercise in full by the underwriter of its option to purchase an additional 7 million more shares of common stock, which closed yesterday at a public offering price of 1.925 per share. H.C. Wainwright & Co. acted as the sole book running manager for the offering. The gross proceeds of the offering were approximately $150 million prior to deducting underwriting discounts and commissions and estimated offering expenses. The company intends to use the net proceeds from this offering for general corporate purposes, including product development, focus on working to complete clinical development, secure regulatory approval, and support anticipated commercial launch of the 365-day product, supporting the collaboration with Ascensia Diabetes Care, and funding working capital and capital expenditures. With this round of fundraising completed, based on the company's current projections, expectations, and business plan, the company believes that its existing cash and cash equivalents will be sufficient to fund its business through cash flow break-even from operation. The shares of common stock were offered pursuant to an effective registration statement on Form S-3, file number 333235297. That was filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on November 27, 2019, amended on December 18, 2019, and declared effective on December 20th, 2019, and an additional registration statement on Form S-3, filed pursuant to the Rule 462 and became automatically effective on January 21st, 2021. The shares of common stock were offered only by means of prospectus. A final prospectus supplement and accompanying prospectus relating to the offering were filed with the SEC and are available on the SEC's website. Electronic copies of the final prospectus supplement and accompanying prospectus relating to the offering may be obtained from H.C. Wainwright. And ladies and gentlemen, about Sensonics, okay? By the way, this press release shall not constitute an offer to sell or a solicitation to an offer to buy, nor shall there be any sale of these securities in any state or jurisdiction in which suffer with such offer. Solicitation or sale will be unlawful prior to registration or qualification on the security laws of any such jurisdiction. By the way, guys, the videos are for entertainment and learning purposes. About Sensonics, once again, Sensonics Holdings is a medical technology company focused on the design, development, and commercialization of transformational glucose monitoring products designed to help people with diabetes confidently live their lives with ease. Sensonics CGM systems, Eversense and Eversense XL, include a small sensor inserted completely under the skin that communicates with a smart transmitter worn over the sensor. Boop. The glucose data are automatically sent every 5 minutes to a mobile app on the user's smartphone. And ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and take a look at SENS in the charts. I think it kind of makes sense. Let's review it right now. Sensonics. Wow. Sensonics. Consolidating. Not bad, guys. I think this is not bad at all. I actually think that we need, you know what? First of all, we need to review the monthly candle. Okay? Wow. David, what is that? We're making profit. Making profit. David. SENS, ladies and gentlemen. A bullish candle has closed the monthly candle. It has broken already 2 trend lines. Actually, the second trend line, I just put it there just to see if it was going to confirm our upside. And you know what? It is. I like this break of a trend line over here. As you can see, makes sense. The monthly candle, the good thing was that it closed above the 14 EMA. And we're capitalizing on the opportunity in this ride. It has moved already, ladies and gentlemen, 179%. The weekly looks pretty bullish to me. It is above the 200 EMA, even though today we retraced with a weekly candle, right? But we created some higher lows, lower highs, which is fine. I think it kind of makes sense. If there's any more retracements, that will be actually healthy for the company. But 195 was the sale of this. What was it? 195, right? 192.5, the offering. So we had to go down. We had to. So 192.5, and we didn't even get there. So that's pretty insane. So let's look at the daily. The daily right now, let's go ahead and add the 14 EMA support level. I actually like this gap over here. If we get to capitalize on that, it will be even better. But what I want to see maybe by next week will be a break of a trend line. That's going to be the interesting thing, guys. A break of a trend line will be very interesting. If we get to drop a little bit more, for example, to 173, hitting the 50 EMA, or we get to drop to 91 cents, hitting the 200, or even over here, 121, I will say that is an opportunity. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
I think we said it here already, guys. There's opportunities in the market. I think healthcare and software are starting to communicate even better. I think there's opportunity there. There's a lot of people that may benefit of this. But we'll see, ladies and gentlemen, how it will go. For now, the structure indicates that it can go to the upside. I'm liking what I'm seeing over here. Makes sense to me. Man, oh man. A break of a trend line will be amazing, guys. Amazing. Over here. Break of a resistance. Break of a trend line. And then it can go up to 390s, which is 45.86. My friend over here, Crypto Crackhead, he says $5 to $8. He's been trading in a bull flag. Calculated move, $5 to $8 target. So you can see, yes, my friend, yes, bull flag. You can see over here, the flag, perfect. Crypto Crackhead, loving the feedback, dude. Oh my goodness. And Crypto Crackhead, I forgot that you said that there's opportunities to 5. Oh, we're very well aligned. And you said that we can go to 8. Perfect. The Fibonacci letting us know, the market structure letting us know that there's opportunity. But hey, I actually have another target, my friend. 13, 18, 21, and even 25 crypto crackhead. So what do you think about that one? Which one do you think is going to make sense, ladies and gentlemen? And do you think that SENS will be doing some Shoryukens? Chewy Q for the sound effect.
Shoryuken!
Thank you, Chewy. Thank you. Or do you think that is it going to go down to the bottom of the ocean? And this is SpongeBob Bob. And actually, Crypto Crackhead, I'm going to go ahead and review. Did you say that you sent something on the Discord? Guys, if you want to become a member, just go ahead and click the join button below. We have a Discord channel where the community, exchange ideas, and I'm loving the community a lot. I'm liking the community a lot. Crypto Crack. Oh, perfect. Let me see if I can open it over here, my friend. Give me a second. Open original. There you go. This is Crypto Crackhead's beautiful chart. Bull flag, looking good. Very simple. 485, 529. And you did it on your phone, huh? Mira para allá, my friend. You said how much? 529 and 485. Mira, we're very close, dude. Very, very close. $21? Exactly. Crypto. I think you and I are very, very well aligned on this one, huh? 5 to 8 is short term for next week. I agree, my friend. I agree. 5. But first, we got to go to that 390, my friend. 390. Let me go once again to the monthly, guys, to give you that perspective. 390, which is, let me remove this. So you see the candle. There you go. Which is revisiting the higher high over here, guys. 386, 390s. Then going to the $5, which is the previous resistance over here. You can even see that, yes, the $4 kind of makes sense over here, huh? $4. But that's where he stopped. 390s. Now we can go to 5, which kind of makes sense. Then after that, I see 6 and 7 and 8. And then, as we said already, guys, let me know in the chat room. Beautiful, beautiful. Loving the feedback from the members. Thank you, Crypto Crackhead. That makes me very, very proud. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
What do you think, Mr. Burns? Was it?
Excellent.
Perfect. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And ring that motherfucking bell. Sansonic. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see now. What we got. I'm liking it. See over here. What we got with Tilray. Before then, after Tilray, I will do Ride. Oh, by the way, J-Ho was the one that provided that article, and Crypto Crackhead was the one that provided the amazing chart. So Tilray, let's do Tilray right now for those who are waiting for the pot stocks to move. No, you made my day, bro. You made my day. I don't do anybody's day. You're doing great, dude. I'm liking that you're doing on technicals. Like, finally, I'm starting to see technicals from the subscribers. I'm loving it. Crypto Crackhead already saying coins over here. I totally forgot about the coins, man. We got some stonks over here as well. Let's see. Hello? Yeah? Yeah, bro. We're still doing the show. I'll call you a little bit later. Okay, guys. So let's do Tilray. Akerna gaining as TFL sees Goldilocks scenario for U.S. cannabis. Tilray up 3.2%. This came out at 11:27 a.m. after Stifel said that Senator Majority Leader Chuck Schumer confirmed that he and some other Democratic senators and Republicans are working on federal cannabis reform bill, that Stifel sees that the Goldilocks scenario. Yes, this is the first time a federal bill has been discussed by one of the most powerful lawmakers. Wow, in Congress. This could potentially foreshadow the most significant catalyst in the history of the U.S. cannabis industry. Stifel analyst Andrew Patenio writes in a note, Akerna gaining 18%. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, we gotta take a look at Tilray, guys, and we can take a look at Akerna. Let's review here. Tilray, Kern. Let's do it right now, guys. Let's do it. Do it right, child. Man, George Harrison, guys. Wow, that guy. Anyways, guys, let's look over here at. Wow, Tilray is bullish above the 14. EMA is going up, is showing us some signs that Tilray can go up and kick some booty once again. And we will see that if it happens, it will make us smile and laugh. Let's see over here, guys. $18.10 for Tilray on the weekly closing. Bullish with higher highs, lower lows. But I don't mind if there's any retracement for Tilray. Look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour over here, it can go to 1566. I do believe that the United States becomes or basically legalizes cannabis. Dude, we're gonna have such an interesting time that we're gonna live in, guys. It's gonna be insane. I think I'm gonna be very honest. We should be in the levels of the Jetsons right now. I think we're gonna get there, guys. We're gonna be hitting a button and boop. Oh, we already do that. Oh, I'm hungry. Boop. Oh, I got food in front of my door. Oh, I need this PlayStation 5. Boop. Oh, I got it over there. Oh, man. You know what? I'm going to tip this guy. Ching. Okay. I have a project. Let me see if I can work with somebody from Spain. Hey, hola, mi amigo. Tengo un proyecto que quiero trabajar contigo. Está bien, lo puedo hacer, muchacho, pero te lo puedo hacer en Bitcoin. Oh, okay, I can send you Bitcoin. Boom. And then your friend comes over. Hey, David, I bought some beers on this, new application that lets you buy beers. Oh, but you haven't heard about this one. This one is called Weed Uber. So with Uber, you can actually order weed, and it's like Uber. So it's called Weed Uber. And ladies and gentlemen, we can get some. I don't know, guys. I'm just imagining things over here like crazy. But I think there's great potential. The exponential moving averages, the 50 and the 14 are starting to cross, and this cross of EMA for me is very important. Cantor Fitzgerald still has a target of $24, and I do think that's very easy to achieve. For me, the cannabis industry is still very, very young. Great opportunities, 296. I think we can get there, guys. I think we can get a lot of upside, and I apologize if I said some words that didn't make sense, but I'm actually losing a little bit my voice, so I hope you can understand that me talking or saying some word wrong, it doesn't have to do with my voice. I just forgot. I don't. Anyways, guys, from Tilray, Kern. Duber. Exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, Kern over here. And let's see, Akerna, interesting, huh? 582. Wow, this was flat and it went down, down, down. But actually looks interesting. Papo, this one is at 582. This one hasn't done the move. Seems like 71% could be there. Easily done. And then on the other one, could be 1,128%, guys. Looking very interesting. I think this is starting to look much better. Much, much better. And a break of a resistance level over here will be ideal. Papo, this is starting to look good. I don't know about you guys, but KERN, man. Wow, KERN. But David, you don't do analysis. But David, you don't do them. But David, you don't do analysis. But David, this is Microsoft Paint. But David, ladies and gentlemen, not bad at all. KERN. Oh man, great potential. 1,128%. Nicely done. Let's see. Let's keep an eye on that, man. Let's keep an eye on that. And then this one goes out to my friend Danny Corrales. Danny, I'm going to do Lordstown Motors, which is ride. SCNS, huh? I have an announcement. Just downloaded TradingView. Finally. Oh my goodness, dude. Random Morris finally getting TradingView. I'm telling you, dude. It's time to take this journey to the next level. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Let's go ahead. This is the David Show. It's not the Dave John Show. It is our favorite show because it's David's show. Guys, I don't know. I need to do that as I don't know, man. Tom Green. Sorry, man. It just became a thing, bro. It just became a thing. You are very, very good at what you do. Lordstown Motors rallies again after Wolf Research polls bearish view. Wolf Research moves to a pure perform rating on Lordstown Motors after having an underperform rating set on electric vehicle manufacturer. The price target is boosted to 27 from 14. The ratings boost comes after Lordstown has shown some incremental progress. Yesterday, Lordstown Motors said it was hard at work in the factory, preparing to begin beta builds in the coming weeks, and is on track to meet the September start of production timeline. Lordstown Motors had traded higher since the Georgia Senate elections, when the Democrats tipped the scale towards more support for the EV industry. And here we go. Let's do ride. Ladies and gentlemen, $25.18. Wow, wow, wow. Definitely something to keep an eye on. We already knew that this was going to go up. It went to 30. What's the target? 27. Come on, bro. This guy, man. This guy saying 27. Mira para allá, man. 27 now. Now. Why? Wolf Research. Saturn. Let's leave it there. Monthly. Bullish candle. Actually bullish engulfing, huh? Not that much, but yeah, it is higher. The weekly showing good signs, higher highs. Support level over here. Nicely done. The body is bigger than the previous one. And the daily closed a little bit bearish, but I think that this was needed. I still believe it can continue with the upside. Very nicely done, guys. Congratulations for those who rode ride. And I think it can even go to $38, which is equal to 33%. After that, 43%, which is equal to 51. And after that, I see 51, which is 79%. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. And that's it for the news. I'm almost losing my voice, guys. Holy mofongo. I love that tune, man. It's freaking Tom Green, though. It's Tom Green. He did it. Remember about the pot pill NTEC? Ooh, Pablo, why don't you? Oh my goodness, why don't you remind me this? Let me see NTEC. Yeah, babers. Oh my goodness. Yes, great potential here, huh? NTEC. Very, very good. Definitely something that I will keep an eye on. It's hitting the trend line. I'm going to keep an eye on this, bro. Definitely going to see what it will happen next. Great potential. NTEC has 1,000% potential, guys. Definitely going to keep an eye on that. Wow. Let's see. We'll see. We'll be patient about it. So let's see now. SPCE. I want to take a look at SPCE. How long will the trend last? What trend? Scoop the what? Scoop the what? Welcome to the channel. We got 22 viewers and 29 likes. 22 viewers, 23 viewers, 29 likes. 23 viewers and 29 likes. I love it. SPCE over here. Virgin Galactic. Espérate. Did I have an article about it? Espérate. Not necessarily. So let's look at SPCE. Okay, SPCE, the daily close with lower highs, higher lows, the weekly bullish candle. The monthly bullish candle as well. You know what? It is time to clean this mess. I have a little bit of a mess here, guys. Let me clean this. Clean the house. New month, new opportunity, fresh perspective. Let's see what we got. Once we remove all of this, we were expecting higher highs and higher lows, guys. And this bullish engulfing candle, I like a lot. I like it a lot. I like it. I like it. I like it. I think we're gonna go up. Kind of makes sense to me. Wow, such a beautiful candle. Telling you all, guys, such a beautiful candle. Such a beautiful candle that SPC has left. Such a beautiful range of 34%. We can see on the daily that we can go down to the 14 EMA or the $29 indicates the 50 EMA. As you can see to the left, the $36 is a resistance that it was broken, and over here at 29 was the other one. So if you expect any downside, is an opportunity to capitalize. Capitalize, yeah, capitalize, woo! I'm sorry, guys. I had to do something funny, man. Especially over here, guys, still looking very, very good. You can go to the upside. I'm sorry that I'm feeling a little bit funky. You know what? I should take a little bit of a minute after I do SPCE, and I'll come back to do OEG, Affirm, GEVO, BNGO, NNDM, AQMS, Witch, Corsair, and IDEX. If you're patient with me, I'll do all of them, guys. If you're patient with me, I'll do all of them, okay? Let me, guys, great potential. Great potential. I like it. I like it. That was a nice ditty. I know, man. I know it was nice. What do you think, bro? Do you think that I don't do hits over here? Let's see over here. How long will the trend? Slice aero. So is the squeeze going to be pre-market or after the opening dip? So I believe there's gonna be a little bit of a opening dip in the next week, but I do see that it actually could be a little bit longer than people may think. The reason is that we have closed the monthly candle, right? So the monthly candle, for example, and you're talking about right now, I'm sure you're talking about SPCE because SPCE was part of this, right? So the monthly candle closed bullish, but we can expect the start of the day go up. No, never. It doesn't do that, guys. It doesn't necessarily do that. For me, retracement can happen, which is actually starting to look like it can. So I'm going to go ahead. You can see over here on the daily, it can actually retrace to over here 36.87. But that's not a bad thing. That's actually a good thing. Once we get good rejections and good confirmations, maybe a break of a trend line over here, I see potential upside of 59. See, when we get a little bit of confirmation, it will be even better. But SPCE for me at the end of the day is an opportunity that it can definitely go higher, guys. I think there's something interesting happening in the market. And ladies and gentlemen, very excited to see what will happen next. But Slice Aéreo, welcome to the channel, bro. Good to see you, man. I will suggest next time say hi to everybody, because in this community right now, amazing entrepreneurs, amazing people, musicians, amazing investors. I'm telling you, my friend, just say hi with a lot of love, con mucho, mucho amor, you know? That's how we do it here every day, man. CLNE and CBAT. Oh, but why? Why do you want me to review that? Okay? But guys, you gotta give me like 1 minute and I'll come back and I'll do them. But David, what is that? We're making profit. We're making profit. But David, what is that? We're making profit. We're making profit.
Oh yeah!
Okay. Which stocks are you guys going to buy? Hey, David and Room. Keisha, welcome to the channel. Good to see you. Good to see you. Happy Friday. I hope you're doing well. I hope we make bank on SENS. We think alike. Biden's press secretary is embarrassing. Oh, man. I don't know what's happening, bro. Give me 1 minute. Guys, entertain yourself a little bit. I got to do a safety check. I'll be back, guys. Give me 30 seconds. I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. And today I'm enjoying what is called BUBLY. Okay, we're back. Now we're by the way, guys, I think in the future I'm going to do videos like this. I'm going to think about that there's going to be a segment only for the subscribers, which will be the news and the technical analysis. But then I can do a live streaming maybe on the weekends for members only, and we can review all of your charts, because sometimes what I notice is that there's a lot of requests, and I don't mind that, but I'm thinking about over here to give a little bit of a, salsa to the people of the community. See, Brandon Morris, cheers. Do they still have potential CLNE or CBAT, or they beat now? Take your time, bro. Salsa. Take your time. Salsa. And I'm back and bubbly. In it, shit. C McNugget, dude, welcome to the channel. Let's go ahead. Oh my God, dude, so good to see you. Good to see you, my friend. Let's go ahead and take a look at OEG. Salsa y merengue lo que tiene. Salsa y merengue lo que quiere. Él y ella para bailar, para gozar y disfrutar y poder cantar lo que ellos quieran. Porque están en el show de David. Yeah. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, $12.51 is basically the 200 EMA. OEG, man, what the heck, bro? Didn't we do over here a freaking Shoryuken? What the heck is this, bro? Shoryuken indeed, for me, for you to see. Over here, 778, guys. The daily, papo. If we get to drop to 612, that will be a good price point. I wouldn't mind that at all. I mean, OEG, Orbital Energy Group. The weekly, very bullish, as you can see. Let me clean this a little bit. I do want to keep some lines, resistance levels over here. Support and resistance, perfect. That's the range for the weekly. And then on the monthly, as you can see, the monthly candle has closed bullish. I think there's going to be some potential upside here for OEG, 61%. You make the math, guys. Make the math. Do a freaking chart. Do Excel. Get jiggy with it. You know, get nerdy. Get a little bit of nerdy. You know, and make the numbers. And look at the financials of the company. Research the technology. If it makes sense, then it makes sense. Why not? Right? You're capitalizing on the opportunity like many other companies are doing, and hedge funds and all of that. The hedge funds, they have a lot of money. The institutions, they have a lot of money. And now it is time for us to make money work. That's it. Everybody's doing it. Everybody's doing it, man. Come on. Everybody's doing it. Let's get nerdy, man. Let's look at the daily over here, guys. Great potential, 61%. Congratulations for those who capitalize on OEG. Definitely deserves your endows.
Boom shakalaka!
Orbital gonna go to orbit. Papo, I see that 2231. Wow. There's a lot of potential for OEG. Wow. Yes, 83 is 16. Wow. This is insane, my friend. You can get there. We can get there. Trading View and Mario Paint makes sense to me, right? I'm telling you, that's what I'm saying, man. Mario Paint makes sense. Wow, I'm glad that guy sent that in a comment. Oh, man. You guys are the best inspiration. I'm going to be very honest. You guys are awesome. Let's do Affirm. I like Affirm. Affirm Holdings. Yep. Hello. See? Yeah, no. I'm not talking about the haters. No. Not yet. Okay. So, Affirm Holdings. No, today I don't think I'm gonna do the haters thing. I think I don't want to be a hater, guys. I don't want to be a hater of haters. You know, I want to be a lover of haters. No. That sounds weird. I want to be somebody that doesn't care. That's what I want to be. The monthly for Affirm Holdings, by the way, is only one candle. We got a resistance level at 138, and then a support level at $89.99. Then we got the weekly creating a bearish engulfing. It's down. The daily, as you can see, is bearish. Great potential here. 4 hour. Interesting opportunities. I think if this gets to go to the upside, it is about 10.1 1 or 2%. After that could be even 23% or even 39%. So a firm at $99 is actually not looking bad. I like the creation of the candle rejection. As you already know, guys, sometimes we are like ahead of the curve. So we find sometimes those spots before, but we just want to have some confirmations, right? The important thing is to just wait for a break of a trend line over here. Go up, go a little bit down, and continue capitalizing on the opportunity. If it creates that structure, it will be an interesting structure for upside. So we'll definitely keep an eye on it and see if we're going to continue to $122, which could be equal to around 23%, and 138 about 39%. But let's leave it there and then we continue. Let's see over here, guys. Oh, do you guys think fractional shares are good to get? Yes. Like, do they have possibility to help grow a profile substantially? Yes. Or will it be better to buy a full share? It doesn't matter. I bought a motherfungal load of fraction today. So I sent some screenshot to our IG, David. If you had time whenever to give me some feedback. Make love, not wars. Make banks, not tanks. Wow. Thanks. Sounds very interesting, guys. Do you agree with our community? Make love, not wars. I like it. I like it. Make bank, not tanks. Wow. Who sings that? That's a lyric, right? That's a freaking lyric. Let's see over here. Man, but I got people asking me about this show. YouTube.com/David. Ask me now. Ask me now. I'm live. So, I'm inviting people. I've been getting a lot of questions for different companies, guys. Well, we already know that we need to see what is happening over here with Affirm Holdings. It's actually looking very interesting. I want to see like a good set of candles to continue with some more upside. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you think about it. I think it looks pretty interesting. GEVO, huh? GEVO. Jevo. Ladies and gentlemen, GEVO. Let me clean this once again. Let's see. Let's start fresh because we have been finished with the month. So we got to get ready for the next month. This is the preparation for the month. Preparation for the GEVO. Yeah, guys, do you think that you don't have to prepare? You have to freaking do your analysis. Oh, man. I'm losing my voice, guys. I'm going to nuts. I shouldn't be singing. My voice is almost gone. Monthly, $14.57. $4. 10.16. Let's go ahead and add over here this to the support level. So 10.16. I would love to see GEVO go to 480s. That will be interesting. Let's see over here, guys. This 938. Maybe this 569. 4 hour. 1 hour. I like the structure. Still needs a little bit of a little bit of downside over here will be nice to 736. I actually would like that. GEVO to 736. Makes sense to me. If it does go there. If it doesn't, that's fine. But I think it can go to the upside once again. Then BNGO. By the way, let me check that Instagram screenshot, man. I think you sent it to me on Instagram. Yeah. See. Follow me, DEIVED, by the way, guys. Let's see. Well on it, bro. And let me see. Oh, but I thought I was gonna see some analysis, my friend. NM Crown. I wanna see some charting. I wanna see you doing an analysis, but let me see. Jaguar X, OPK. Man, fractional shares. It's good to start, my friend. I think that's a great idea. Fractional shares. It's a great way to start. Because if you don't have enough, or if you can get a little bit into that area, man, that's amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful colors, too. I'm liking the colors. OEG, Afria, BLNK, SBE, BNGO, Bitcoin. Nice. Doing amazing. I think you have a very, very diverse portfolio, my friend. You even got Dogecoin. That's crazy, man. Amazing, amazing. Interaction with Matthew Grado. What an interesting way of doing this inception, my friend. This is like literally... Wait, where is it? Espérate. Oh, my God. Okay. Let's see now. BNGO. BNGO. Bionano Genomics. Bionano Genomics. Bionano. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, let's look at the monthly. The monthly over here. Wow, super interesting. Let's clean the house. Let's start with that. Bionanogenomics. I'm glad that we're doing this, guys. I'm going to be very honest. I know it's taking a little bit of time, and I'm getting a little bit hungry. Like, my stomach is like... It sounds like chewy. Like... But... I have to look at Bionano. Bionano over here can go to 440s. It can go back down to $10. Let me look at the daily. Daily even, you can even see a potential. Now, adjusting this nights to 485. Or maybe even over here to $9. 890s. That sounds pretty good. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. We may capitalize on that opportunity if it stays strong on this trend line, which is still bullish. We don't have a lot of information, my friends, but you already know. And the other thing, this is what I want to see, and it's starting to look like it can break up. Wow. We'll see. This is going to be the interesting point. Interesting point. Having buy stops will be good. To do 18% will be nice. Will be nice. Bro, then come back. Oh man, you guys are crazy. No, I have to finish the video. What's up, buddy? I want to share an old video of a scientist explaining the need of nuclear power. Dude, have you ever heard of Andrew Yang? Andrew Yang was talking about a specific type of energy that doesn't create nuclear waste. I forgot the freaking name of the technology, but you should definitely check him out. Let's see. What's up, Nokia? Joseph Patterson, what's up? Good to see you, man. I watched Meet Kevin live yesterday. He dropped 20K on Dutch at 0.03. It ran up to almost 0.09 cents because of Elon's tweet. He did. But that's how it is, man. That's making the money, making the market move, huh? Making the market move. Let's see over here, guys. Let's do Nano Dimension. None of the mention. None of the mention. By the way, guys, I'm getting very, very hungry. So I'm gonna be finishing this video pretty soon, okay? Look at the weekly. No, at the monthly. We actually created a bullish candle. Another bullish candle. Another bullish candle. Another bullish candle from Nano Dimension on the monthly, my friend. Doo-doo-doo. Let's look at the weekly over here. Ladies and gentlemen. Papa, I think we're doing good. Mira, let me clean the house. Let me clean the house because it's a little bit messy. I apologize. Let me remove my plan. What it's looking like. Delete this. Delete this. See. Adding this. Deleting this. There you go. So you know what? It's not looking bad. It's not looking bad. I think a retracement to the trend line is good. It's healthy. Looking at the monthly, looks bullish to me. Still bullish, which is amazing. I'm still looking for more upside. I do believe that none of the mention, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like freaking $24.70, like 25. That could be equal to 78%. And I think that will be an amazing opportunity for upside. And then I believe we still have some targets above. But for now, letting this go down a little bit. Maybe 12. Maybe let it go down to 10.96. Will be amazing, guys. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Nano dimension. Will we go to another dimension? Nano dimension. Okay, guys. I'm gonna start lowering my. I'm feeling that my voice is a little bit gone. Okay. Guys, whoosh. AQMS over here. Aquametals. 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 Can't believe our $12 is gone. I told you, man. I told you, crypto. He was crypto crackhead. He knows. He knows. I think that AQMS would love to buy more at $10. I know, right? Aquametals for me still has a lot of potential at $22.79. It retraced a little bit to 568. Created a low at 506. The daily, as you can see, can drop to 506. The 4 hour. I'm liking this. Break of a trend line will be nice. And if we break the trend line, we can go to 766. After that, it can even go to 841. There's some more. There are even some more upside, bro. There's more upside to be done.
Bruh.
Pero. Keep in mind that weekly candle doesn't look that delicious. That weekly candle may show a little bit of retracement. So we will see by next week. There could be potential more downside to 506. That's why I drew the trend line. If we get to break the trend line, that's the opportunity. And if we break the resistance level of 778, break the resistance, and go up to 12.99, which is 66%, guys. There's a great opportunity from AQMS. Let me do WISH. WISH for my friend. Wow. Wish is doing good. Monthly over here is $32.74. Let's do over here this 1782 weekly. There's potential for upside 9.16%. Nice. Daily, you can see $32.74. A great potential opportunity here. But David, if it goes up, where can it go? David, your voice is a little bit gone, but guys, it can go to 39.63. I'm sorry that I'm doing these voices, guys. I'm trying to limit my voices, give you the information that you need as much as I can. So $30.07. You can go up to $32.74, which is equal to 8.9%. It can go to $39, 32% to the upside. $48 is equal to 62. And 54 is equal to 81. Great potential opportunities. The candles, the structure shows us great potential for more upside. I know there's a lot of people that are starting to invest right now, and I know sometimes it can get very scary. I've been doing the videos even before the pandemic. I'm one of those that watched the market back in those old days when I had internet just like you, when I had the computer just like you. Yes, in the crash of the coronavirus, ladies and gentlemen. The coronavirus! I remember those days. And we crashed over here, guys. Mira. What was it? December. Wish. You can even see, mira, con Wish. You can even see here when it came out. When I think everything happened, mira. Virus outbreak. No. Boom. Going up right now. Wish. Let's go ahead and move forward. Corsair. Have a great weekend. Looking forward to recording those songs. Man, next week. Wow. Loving it. Let me know. Join Discord members, guys. We get loads of great info there. Don't miss out. GBR. We got a great group that is on the bail. GBRBRN. Guys, super stickers, super chats, always welcome. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring that bell if you haven't. And become a member. Why not? Let's continue the conversation, and you'll be able to do some in the chat room. Ladies and gentlemen, let's look over here. What we got with Corsair. Corsair, ladies and gentlemen, creating some $49.87 higher highs. As you can see, we have the $33.62 area, and we created a range for the month. It closed bullish, but something that we gotta keep an eye on. The weekly is showing us that there is a big range. It seems like a double top, so for some reason, if it goes down to 33.75, that could be a good opportunity. But it's creating some higher highs, some higher lows on the daily. You can see over here that 37.78 is a current price that, well, Just gotta wait for that thing to do something. Right now it's consolidating, but the monthly bullish. I don't know. Technically speaking, I will wait a little bit more, maybe to get up. I don't know. Let me see. I'm thinking about this one, guys, because the pattern that is showing is like a consolidation box, you know. And for me, for consolidation boxes, I usually will say that it needs to break resistance of $50 to go up. Looking at this is creating higher lows, but let me do a Fibonacci and see if we can get some targets above. Okay. Let's see here, 56, 62, 82. Delete this. Oh, that not, but that. And see, it actually looks like a flag, by the way. Seems like a flag, but not. See, I actually like it. I like that it's creating the W. But for these type of things, I usually will wait for this to happen. And I tried to already. To go up, go down, and go to the upside. $49.87. That will be good. We gotta do that. We'll see. Let me do CLNE. What time is it, guys? It's 9:02. I must be finishing pretty soon. Yeah. Clean energy. I'm not gonna take that much time. Okay. Wait, what? Let's see over here, guys. Matt Robinson, can you ask the question differently? I don't know, for some reason. But we're going to take a look at the things over here, guys. If you're, my friend, if you're investing your savings, I wouldn't do that. I would invest you gotta diversify. You know, you can't put their savings into investments. It doesn't work like that, my friends. You should definitely create a trading plan, a portfolio. Make sure that you're investing educatedly. You know, that you understand what you're getting into and why you're getting into it. You're investing in a company that makes sense, that you have information that you believe in, you like the product, and you think that it's just gonna go up. Really, you know, that's the evolution of the market. I think it's an interesting time that we're alive and we're looking at things differently. So for CLNE, I see the monthly candle bullish. Very good. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it, ladies and gentlemen. Clean Energy Fuels Corporation looks good. I do believe that this can go up to 1286 or even 2490s, 142%. Very interesting to me, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, adding the trend line. You can see, great break of a trend line, consolidation, break of the consolidation, and going to the upside. Not bad at all. Let me know. 142% range for now, a 22% range. Let's see over here, guys. If I only knew how to invest at the time of the Rona, I will be rich right now. Not necessarily, Matthew. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. You need to live how you feel comfortable living. That's the most important thing. Right now, you can make yourself a kingdom living with a computer. That's it. And that's the important thing, is that you are able to do it with your talents, with whatever you like to do. I think we're getting to that point where I think Andrew Yang was saying that the market should work for the people, right? So by the people, for the people will be interesting how this evolves, right? Let's see. Crypto Crackhead, 3 a.m. UK, 9:05 p.m. over here at Chicago. Ari Paloma, GB Music, welcome to the channel.
Boom shakalaka!
You guys definitely should check out Ari Paloma and the GB Music. Great music, talented individuals from Chicago. Good to see you once again. Hi, David. So I got some stocks today and some that were suggested from Yang Gang. Suggested? Is there anything I should be getting rid of, holding, keeping for a while? Which one are you talking about? You gotta be a little bit more specific. I'm gonna do AMC for you. I'm gonna do AMC, but I'll take a look at it. My fault, dude. Just common Reddit language. No worries. No worry. Matt Robinson. Common Reddit language. No, it's so good. It's so good. Actually, that's funny, bro. I'm almost losing my voice, guys. Wow. Wall Street orders buy and sell Dogecoin. Use profits to buy GME Monday. Fadet Polo, welcome to the channel, my friend. Greasy McNugget, better than not starting. Matthew Grado, I'm in the same boat. There you go, my friend. Everybody has to start somewhere, you know. Matthew Grado. Espérate, ¿dónde está Matthew? If I only... Exactly, man. Exactly. This guy gets me to the damn moon, brother. I'm going to take you to the moon right now. Mucho, mucho amor. Hi, amazing heebie-jeebies. Guys, check it out. Danny Corrales, Bubblegum. Definitely, Bubblegum is coming out pretty soon, man. We love meme coins. It's going to be an interesting economy, guys. It's going to be a very interesting economy. Oh, man. It's insane. Let's do CBAT. I'm going to get a lot of comments later, guys. Oh, David, because you were looking at the chat, I couldn't follow the conversation. Guys, I'm sorry. This is like the new era of the entertainment level. It will be lovely for you to join us in the chat room. You know, we're talking about it, and we're just having fun right now. 9:08 p.m. I'm losing my voice. So, guys, please consider that. I'm not going to take much else after AMC. I'm going to do AMC once again. Okay? So CBAT, let's start cleaning it for the monthly. Let's go ahead and support and resistance. Cleaning this. So the monthly right now is bullish. The weekly, higher highs, higher lows. Nicely done. CBAT, CBAK, energy technology. Actually creating good movement. Weekly, even though it's bearish, close with higher lows. The daily, oof, papo. This is looking interesting. Very interesting. I'm liking that it can go to 29 to 30%. After that, it could even take you to 55.45%. Continuation from this is 1338, 83 to 114%. More upside can definitely be done to 24, 236%. You can even see $48 becoming something more real. If you look at the monthly, you can even see that we already got some targets even at 68. That's 833%. So for now, keeping an eye on it and see if it will do what we want to see do, which is a break of a resistance level of 977 or 1150s. Hopefully that makes sense, my friend. Nokia. Let's do Nokia. Let me see. Too bad GBs are in stock. There could be one day, you know. It could be one day. I'm gonna drop some money on Dutch for fun. Yeah, Crypto Crackhead is gonna drop some money on Dutch for fun, guys. Who knows, Crypto? Maybe he goes up. Take care, Marquez. Thank you for being here, my friend. On a real note, Dogecoin, I have 2,000 shares from when it was 0.0002. Hold or sell. Matt Robinson, I mean, have you made profit? Have you made profit? Profit is profit. However you want to manage your investment plan. Good to buy on the trend line. I'll pick up for you. Which one? Which one? Thank you, bro. We appreciate. No, I appreciate you all. You know, you becoming members is an amazing thing. And you're spreading the love and you're spreading the message. I just want to see more people investing in the market, guys. Make money work. Make money work. Okay. The monthly for Nokia. Here's the interesting thing. For me, Nokia, starting to look good over here. Exactly what we were expecting, guys. The trend line was gonna be the fight, and we are looking at the bulls fighting with the bears. Now I'm starting to understand the picture of some people that I know. They're bears, and you know what? That's interesting because I think the bulls understand the opportunity that Nokia has. You understand the research. You understand the why. If you're already entering Nokia, you see why it makes sense, guys. I think it does. And I understand this individual. I'm not gonna... Very interesting, guys. So, $4 and... Let's see over here real quick. $4.62. Beautiful. Not bad at all. We actually reach our 200 EMA, which looks very, very good. The resistance level is now being created. It created a higher high, which I like a lot, guys. I really like a lot. And the monthly close bullish, okay? The monthly close bullish, and it has an amazing, amazing range. Look at this range. Wow. That's 112% range. Holy mofongo.
Oh, yeah!
So there's potential here for upside. Mira, let me go ahead and get back. Get back a little bit. Let me clean the house a little bit, okay? Let me clean all of this mess so I can show you guys why I'm being so impressed by what Nokia is doing. So, whoop, sorry. So we can see over here, guys, the trend line over here. Second touch of the trend line, creating a very, very nice trend line, which our price is rejecting. And we understood that it was going to create some rejection. Let me delete this. Let me delete that. Perfect. Now it looks better. So now what we want to see from Nokia will be a break of a resistance of $5.20 to go now to this 200 EMA, which aligns to this resistance level. Okay? What I want to see from Nokia will be Nokia. Will be to break the resistance level at 510, go up, retest 666, go back down, maybe create a trend line to continue once again to the 200 EMA. Unlike Nokia, guys, they have a contract with NASA They are working with 6G. I know and I understand that there's a short squeeze happening with this one. I mean, I think Nokia has a lot of contracts. I think they have a lot of cybersecurity, patents, technology that a lot of people are looking for. And you know what? There's another competition that Nokia has, which is Ericsson. Thinking about it. And Ericsson is doing well. It did very well. Actually went up to 1542. Mira para allá. Another opportunity, guys. Ericsson. Psst. What do you think, man? Obviously. Great potential over here. 23%. Let me do GBR. Nokia Next GME. Oh my god. Let me see over here, guys. CVAT, I picked some. Nice. Nano Dimension, I still believe. Also losing my behind on SENS down 6K at close. Matt Robinson, do you have a plan? Did you have your trading plan at hand? Did it make sense? Did you understand the risk and reward ratio? Very important. We are all underwater. A shuffle is taking place. Traders will come back and buy the dip. You know it, Mike Riplinga? You know it, my friend? Dude.
Boom shakalaka!
Boom shakalaka to you, my friend. Good to see you over here, man. They're gonna get FDA approval and new distributor. Which SENS? Yeah, right? Technical and fundamental for SENS is bullish. Nokia Next GME. Naked. You should do a live dedicated to Wall Street bets. No, my friend. Here's the thing. Can some crypto crackhead, do you wanna reply to Matt Robinson? Provide a little bit of perspective that we are ahead of the curve. We already were doing this way before. We did the analysis for Gamestop at $6. We did the analysis of Nokia at $3. We did the analysis of AMC at $2.65. All of that we reviewed already over here. So, but it's awesome that you're asking about the same things. I love it. I really appreciate it because it's basically spreading the word that investing should be for the people, by the people to make the economy work for them, You gotta make it work for them so they will have their own investments of the companies they like, get some dividends in their lives. Financial freedom is necessary. We can make it work. GBR, this is interesting, my friend. 3105. Let me look at the monthly. 3105, and I like this 104. Interesting. That's a big spike on the monthly. That's actually good. The structure is very let me look at the weekly. Weekly was actually oh papo, mira eso. Wow, this is too big. Wow. GBR. GBR did exactamente. It has gone up. And it went down to 1111. 1111. That's what happened. Let's see over here. 1697. Interesting. But actually, that was actually a good idea, my friend. Mike Riplinger. I think it's kind of makes sense. what? Hey, crypto crackhead, what does that mean? We good, bro. We got a sleeper. Oh, we got a sleeper. Exactly. Exactly. He's sleeping. Let it rest a little bit, just let it relax. Happy dreams, happy trees, happy accidents, happy life, happy trades. You already know, guys.
Oh, yeah!
Welcome. Thank you, Mike. Replenga, thank you for that support, my friend. Thank you. Really do appreciate that. Man, oh man. Thank you. Really do. Really do. And in the end, yes, we're going to do Nano Dimension after this. I actually did it already, man. I already did it. But we're going to take a look at it. GBR. Sorry, guys. I'm a little bit. Let me turn this light on, man. I think that's what's happening, guys. Let me change my mood real quick. I think I was going low. 11.11 weekly. Man, actually, this has an amazing opportunity over here of 181%. Man, let's keep an eye on GBR. GBGBR, GBGBR. GBGBR, 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 GBGBR. Anyways, guys, looks very interesting. Once we break the trend line, that will be an interesting opportunity. GBR, ladies and gentlemen, let me know. What do you think about this? I don't know if I talked too much about it or if it made sense, but if it didn't, ask a question. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section.
EA Games.
Challenge everything.
Okay, Nano Dimension, because Mike asked about it. Papo. Pero si mira. Nano Dimension, Nano Dimension, Nano Dimension, Nano Dimension. Dude, Nano Dimension for me is still a buy. But if he retraces to, for example, 11.18, that will be beautiful. The monthly is bullish. The monthly is good. The monthly looks good. The monthly is bullish. Look at that, man. For me, Nano Dimension can continue with the upside. A little bit of retracement will be fine. Like 13%. But then after that, I do see 78%. And that will be a beautiful thing. Ladies and gentlemen, not bad at all. Man, oh man. Let's see what else we got. GBR. See what we got with GBR. Man, I forgot the timestamps, guys. I'm sorry. GBR 3106. We already did GBR. Didn't we do GBR? I think we did. BRM. Oh my God. I'm telling you, I was going to do this one again. That was going to be a motherfucking ladies and gentlemen over here. BRM. Woo! Bubbly. Wow, what is this spike? What the heck is that, bro? Mira eso, man. No. What is this Bristol Myers doing? That's not cool. Anyways, let's look at the monthly once again. No, man. Oh my God. What a mess. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. That kind of thing, I don't like. Trend lines over here. Makes sense. Resistant at 70. 62. 38. And a break of a trend line over here like this will be ideal. But if it doesn't, you can retrace back down to 38.40s, which could be a 23.97%. So looking good. Any opportunity that we can capitalize, right? But for now, it's creating the monthly candle. It closed today, and there's a lot of indecision, a lot of consolidation. So either break will be an opportunity, my friend. Oh, BRN. Oh my goodness, guys. See, I don't see. That's why I was like, man, it looks so funky. Now it makes sense. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you very much. But David, you made a mistake. So what? I don't care. This is the David Show. It's not the Green Tom Show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. Tom Green, man, shout out to him, man. He's doing the YouTube thing too, guys. So when you go to Tom Green's freaking video, tell him that David and Chewy send a lot of love. You know, a lot of love. Let's see over here. I like this 332. I like this $7. $6.95. And you can go to 904, 1705, and 2820. Is this the one? Is this the one? Jonathan Hernandez, mi amigo, how is it going? Can't believe you are still on, my man. You look tired, my friend. I am actually tired. And hungry too. But I'm still doing this. Oh, man. Let me do. This one looks good, man. Great opportunity. It can go up to $102%, which is at $6.95. 904 is 164, and then 403% at 17. After that, it can even go to $728, $28. Okay, and then let's see over here. AMC. There you go. Monthly candles look so good. Right, Jordan? Jordan Dowes, guys, has been with me in this journey for quite a while. One of the OGs. One of the OGs. Shout out to him. By the way, guys, give me some members. Where are there members here? Members, come on. At the same time, give me some coins. Give me some Hadoukens.
Hadouken! Hadouken! Hadouken!
Give me some Randys.
Oh yeah!
Give me some Shoeys. Or give me some AMC, $13.26. If you didn't enter on this one early, you will feel the stress because obviously the market had to go up and then the market has to go down. The break of the trend line, guys, over here looks very, very good. Let me look at the weekly. Weekly? Let me see. Yes, let's look at the weekly. Remove these arrows. What I like about AMC structurally kind of makes sense to me, guys, because first of all, they were going down. They weren't going great. But as you already know, their business was basically going down. Then the pandemic happened on March. When was it? March, here on February, March. Check this out. Hey, Ari, are you still here? Because this is very cool, what I'm going to show you. I mean, it's cool. It's kind of suck because of what we lived, right? But you can see March, February. I mean, AMC was going down, guys. That's why there were short sellers. You know? And AMC literally had to go down. It had to. The business was not doing that great. People weren't going to the movies as much. Now, there's actually a great structure here where the trend line got broken after this double bottom. Double bottom indicates rejection, triple touch, nicely done. I am sure that when we were reviewing over here on the dailies, this area, because I remember that it dropped until October to 203. That when the pandemic happened, guys, that was the whole drop. And then Head and Shoulders drop. And then we get the break of a trend line, which makes sense to go up. Especially when we were reviewing it, guys, was here. This was the area that we were reviewing it. Break of a trend line, support level, creating good rejection candles, opportunities if it starts to go up. And then on the weekly, you start seeing that it started to go up to 350. Then they had that meeting where they got the, let me show you guys, because I don't want to invent it. So where is it? Ready WSB, Reciprocal Rally, Robinhood. Oh my God, everything is like Robinhood. Gamestop, AMC. Where the heck is it? There's an actually article that I wanted to review. So AMC Entertainment exploring raising new capital with stock surge. So they're trying to raise money, okay? And oh my God, there's so many articles about this. Broker and why brokers on Reddit. No, I don't want to read this. I already read all of this. There's an article that I was, oh my goodness, that there was an investment that was coming from a company. Right now I can't find it because all of this news about Reddit. This is insane, guys. But the point was, see, I can't even look at the article. There's so many. I think they're trying to spam it so I can find it. But AMC was going up. And 1326. Let me find this. I can't. Where the heck? I talked about it today. I definitely talked about it. So let me see something here, guys. Let me do a new window. No, I think I can't find it, bro. I can't find it. But you can see Silver Lake taps out of AMC stake. Man, this format is not helping, man. Okay. Okay, here we go. AMC says likely to the surprise of no one. That's it. Wrap up. Just announced at the market equity sales program. On Monday, as part of its filing on financing, the company had announced a 50 million share equity distribution agreement for sales from time to time with Goldman Sachs and B. Riley Securities. Program is now complete and combined with remaining shares under a prior such program. AMC has sold 63.3 million additional shares of its Class A stock for additional proceeds of 304.8 million. The company, widely considered on the brink of bankruptcy for much of the past year, is up an astonishing 268% when we reviewed this. It just went up. Okay, guys, this morning. A lot of people still promoting what Wall Street Bets has, but it's amazing that now we have gotten to a point where everybody is investing. I am glad that Wall Street Bets has its own community and they're doing great with, it seems like, their promotion. And it is good that people are starting to put their money to work. I am glad that we are doing amazing. And by the way, guys, the important thing is that there's so many opportunities out there, so many companies that we can invest. Right now, there's a lot of brokers that we can have access to. If you think about it, a long time ago, when I was 17, I need to tell you this quick story before I leave, guys. We have the ability to create orders from our phones. When I was studying at 17 in the University Interamericana in Puerto Rico, I wanted to buy Apple shares. And by then you needed 56K. Let me call. And you couldn't buy some fucking, some motherfucking
Coronavirus!
shares of Apple. By then, mira esto, guys. Mira esto. And by the way, Apple has done like a lot of stock splits after all of that. They did the last stock split. But back in 2007, I want to say 2007, that's when I wanted to buy Apple. Look at this. Apple was coming out with the freaking iPhone and all of that. But since they had the stock split, now you can even see to the past how it was specifically. But look, it was pretty cheap. It's like if it was $3 right now. And then after that, you just continue with the upside. I believe that was like the iPhone and all of these products. And the structure from Apple is amazing. I love the structure from Apple, guys. It's a great company to have in your portfolio. And I really like Apple products. Like Apple really cares about their products and even about privacy, which is very interesting. Monthly for Apple. Bearish. It's bearish. But I like Apple, guys, for the long term. I really do. Too many targets here. Too many targets. But anyways, I think that's the video for today, guys. I'm a little bit tired. My voice is almost gone. Boom chakalaka indeed, guys. Boom chakalaka to all of you.
Boom shakalaka!
Let me see over here, guys. Real quick. ARK dropping tens of millions on NNDM. Yes, very bullish. Very bullish. Mike, I'm bullish on it as well. But as you already know, the videos are for entertainment and learning purposes. Harrison looking interesting. Might be forming potential cup and handle. If you look at this past week. Yes, looking very good. Candles of indecision. You know, candles look so good. BRN. You're the best, guys. Hope you and the community has a great weekend. Dogecoin. Honestly. Apple Mofungos. Friday. Shoes off. Good night. Take care of yourself. Thank you all for being here. It is a crazy day. Crazy market next week. We will need to rest. Go ahead and enjoy your night. Have a delicious meal. Sleep with your loved one. Enjoy. Keep kicking booty. I'll see you next Monday. Have a beautiful weekend, everybody, with a lot of love. Con mucho, mucho amor. I'll see you next week.
Hadouken!